Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. One of the easiest ways to update an outdoor space with color is updating your planters. Thoughtful flower pot painting ideas can give old planter and terracotta pots a new lease of life. Any outdoor space benefits from an arrangement of garden pots. From small balcony gardens to gorgeous patios, flower pots can be transformative for any decorative garden idea, especially freshly painted pots to help add a pop-up color and expressive pattern. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your plant vases with colorful painting. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.